Hey YouTube, what is going on? Brandon here with another printer repair video. This is going to be a very short video regarding the Epson EcoTank power cleaning that is absolutely necessary after you use my best printers cleaning kit. Once you have gone through that whole process, you are now needing to do a power cleaning. Now there have been some people in the past that have had an issue with not being able to print any colors. I have researched the problem and I have found that this is the solution, that after you use the cleaning kit, you actually have to run a system cleaning, which is a power cleaning that will completely get everything back to normal. So essentially what this is doing is all of the colors are being pressured back into the print head the way it's supposed to, because when you use the cleaning kit, you are flushing out the old ink, and that is absolutely necessary. And so once you have done that, there's cleaning fluids stuck in the veins or in the print head. And so by running the power cleaning, you are now pushing all of the ink right into the print head, and it's being flushed. You can start to print normally again. So essentially what you're doing here is you're powering off the printer, and you're going to hold down the power button after it's turned off and the question mark button. I won't do it because I just got done with it. It takes about 7 minutes to complete, and this one no longer needs it. And you're also going to want to make sure that you have some brand new ink installed here, because it is going to use quite a bit of ink for this process. So in the video that you've watched that has led you to this video, I have mentioned that you need to buy some new ink, and I was putting it forth as an option. But if you are low on ink, you absolutely have to buy new ink before you continue on with any of this. Again, to get something like that quickly, your ink and your cleaning kit, there's going to be a link for Amazon Prime in this video as well, just as a resource. So now once you have done those two things and your ink is full, you will then be able to print a nozzle check, and that should be it. This is the proof that I just got done working on this printer. Colors were not printing out on it. Colors were coming out very faded. And if you see here, this is actually a piece of the actual nozzle report. If you see that there, what you're looking at here is the nozzle check after the cleaning. This is how it looks. Magenta barely coming out, and yellow was the only one that was showing up. After the power cleaning, everything is 100% back to normal. So that goes to show you that this is absolutely something that you need to do. It's a vital part of all of the instructions. And for those of you, if you're watching this video later on, I'm hoping that you are able to run this and do this method so that you get back to printing again. I hope that you haven't gotten rid of your printer or anything like that. If you had to take some other actions and spend some more money, I completely apologize for that. Saw the concerns on some reviews and online, and I see now that this was absolutely needed. I researched it and I found out that this is what actually needs to happen in order for you to get back to printing normally again. Alright, so that's really all there is to it. If you have any questions at all about this process here, make sure to comment below. And if you have any concerns at all about the video that you've watched just now or a previous video on my channel, make sure to reach out, make sure to comment, and I will look into if there is a problem, I will fix it. If I've given wrong instructions or if additional instructions are needed, like in this case, I'm all over it. I'm all over it because I'm here to help you at the end of the day as the consumer, and I don't want there to be any issues. Luckily with this, there was a quick solution, and instructions will be in the description below. If you haven't already bought the Best Printers Cleaning Kit, there's going to be a link for that in the description below as well, for your convenience. That's really all I've got for today, you guys. Thank you for watching. I hope that this was helpful, but until next time.